7 world-class award-winning plugins used by countless professional engineers in post, broadcast, music, and even live sound. Join the elite who own Sonox Elite because you're worth it.
Wait, what? Because you're worth it.
Cut! We're here at the NAMM show. We're still on the Aphex booth because they've got loads of new stuff. And Jason is going to show us this channel strip where it seems that they've thrown all their clever technology into one box.
A lot of it anyways. What we tried to do was make a really straightforward preamp channel strip here without a million parameters to scare you off. Most of the customers for a box like this are stepping up from their interface, making their first outboard purchase. I need a better mic pre, what can I get? And so a lot of the options out there have so many parameters and knobs that it's just scary for them to look at. They don't know how to operate that stuff. And that being the case, even though those are great products, you can make them sound bad really easily. It's really hard to make this one sound bad. It's really straightforward, easy to look at. Class A mic pre, optical compressor with a ratio control, our RL exciter processor, our big bottom processor, output level. You got gain reduction metering for the compressor, peak output level. And on the back, you've got simple analog outputs on XLR and TRS, and then we also have an SP-DIP output over here. Incredibly easy to use, it sounds great.
Okay, so again, the compressor on this thing has no variable compression amount, so you would have to adjust your input gain if you want to get more or less gain reduction.
Correct, the more compression
and
you
then
want,
juggle that with the ratio a little bit.
Exactly right.
Okay, and the big bottom, well, that's quite useful on a lot of things, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Not just bass.
Not at all. I use it on many, many things, but it's great for vocals, and this is great for just doing voiceover work as well. Yeah. So it's what I call the big bottom and RL exciter are kind of organic replacements for EQ. Because you're not boosting and cutting noise or anything, you're really adding harmonics on top of things and compressing the low end that really gives it a tightness. So it's very different from EQ, it gives you a much different result.
Yeah. Because the big bottom is a kind of parallel compression with filtering, isn't it?
Exactly right, yeah.
So it does really fatten things up without taking away the detail.
That's the idea, yeah. So it's really different. It gives you a really great sound without having to make things incredibly difficult to use.
Yeah. Well, I've tried most of these things individually, so it's nice to see them all in one box.
Absolutely, and it's only $4.99, and this one will be ready to ship next month.
Pretty good.
So, Project Channel, ready to go.
Thanks, Jason.